take me down, they can't take me out. They must have thought I was stupid. Born on my own, go after my own, die on my own. One man up, I'ma do this. Work rate second to none. Load up, pepper and done. Artistic rebel and one. Levels are higher than sun.
Yo, what's good people? Me again, I'm back. Today I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of a Google Nest Mini that I received from Spotify. Checking in. I told you I'm not gonna leave you hanging for too long. Got a vlog last night. You're getting another one early this morning. Yeah, and I'm up. I've gone out for my cycle. Now I've gone to pick up my Nest because I missed the delivery, so I went to pick it up. And now I'm gonna go and open it. So please, like, comment, subscribe, share to all your friends, share to your family. It's only an unboxing. Get me them views. Road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm only on 784. Please promote this. Boom, I'm out. Grizz. A few months ago, I got an email from Spotify saying I was eligible for a Google Nest Mini. I put my details in and it arrived a couple of days ago. So today I'm gonna be unboxing that. Cool, let me see what this is like. Tiny, I didn't think it was this small, but judging by the box, you can tell it's quite small. What else comes in the box? Got a little booklet in there. I'm gonna show you how it works. And then you got your little power cable. Okay, cool, your power cable, little normal adapter point. So I never know what this thing does. I just know that Spotify offers me one for free. I'm a music man, so I'm gonna take anything to do with music, I'm taking it. Someone needs to tell me what this thing does. Ooh. So basically it's a Bluetooth speaker. Turn up the music, it's the mini speaker with big sound. Group it with other speakers and fill your home with sound. Control TVs, lights, thermostats and hundreds of other smart devices with your home. Make calls, set timers, check the weather and more. Hands free. Not much to it. Small and mighty. Check the back of the box. The back of the box don't have nothing. Okay. It links to Spotify. So that's cool. It links to Spotify. It links to YouTube Music. It links to Netflix. Cool Duo. Philips Hue lights. Google Assistant. Okay. It's mad though. I might sell it. The main reason being why I might sell it is because I don't use Spotify anymore. Well, I still do use Spotify and I still do use Netflix, but I don't have any smart features in my house. But maybe when I move house, I'll have some smart features, so that's what it is. Thank you very much, Spotify, for sending me a Google Home and Nest Mini. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. Boom.